A blessed day, learners. Get ready to embark on a journey of learning and enjoyment in this video. Today, we will be exploring the fascinating topic of exploring the depths of philosophy, definitions, purposes, and human nature. Remember to stay safe, and may God bless you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. What are the three major areas that philosophy seeks to understand according to the definitions of philosophy section? A. Science, technology, and engineering. B. Literature, arts, and music. C. Existence, knowledge, and values. D. Politics, economy, and society. What is the purpose of philosophy in understanding ourselves? A. To improve our physical health. B. To gain a deeper understanding of our beliefs, values, and purpose in life. C. To master technical skills. D. To learn different languages. Explain how philosophy aids in understanding others. A. By teaching technical skills. B. By fostering empathy and better interpersonal relationships. C. By promoting physical fitness. D. By encouraging artistic creativity. Describe the connection between the philosophy of man and metaphysics. A. It studies the physical health of humans. B. It explores human economic behavior. C. It examines the essence and actions of being. D. It investigates technological advancements. Summarize the significance of human nature in the study of philosophy. A. It focuses on technological progress. B. It examines the innate ways of thinking, feeling, and acting. C. It analyzes political systems. D. It evaluates artistic expressions. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If yes, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. We will help you deepen your understanding through this video.
Definitions of philosophy. Isa. Study of general and fundamental questions. Philosophy involves examining essential questions about existence, reason, knowledge, values, mind, and language. These questions are foundational to human understanding and are explored through logical reasoning and critical thinking. Dalawa. Set of ideals, standards, or beliefs. Philosophy can be seen as a collection of principles that guide behavior and thought. These principles help shape one's worldview and influence ethical and moral decisions. Tatlo. Study of nature, causes, or principles of reality. Philosophy seeks to understand the underlying principles of reality, knowledge, and values. This pursuit is based on logical reasoning and often involves examining the causes and nature of various phenomena. Apat. Science of reason, experience, and reflection. Philosophy is considered a science that relies on reason, experience, reflection, intuition, meditation, imagination, and speculation. It promotes critical thinking, which includes questioning, analyzing, criticizing, synthesizing, evaluating, and judging reality, FDA Demetrio 3. Ang pag-aaral ng pangkalahatan at pangunahing mga tanong. Kasama sa pilosopiya ang pagsusuri sa mahahalagang tanong tungkol sa pag-iral, katwiran, kaalaman, pagpapahalaga, isip, at wika. Ang mga tanong na ito ay saligan sa pag-unawa ng tao at sinasaliksik sa pamamagitan ng lohikal na pangangatwiran at kritikal na pag-iisip. Ang hanay ng mga mithiin, pamantayan, o paniniwala. Ang pilosopiya ay makikita bilang isang koleksyon ng mga prinsipyo na gumagabay sa pag-uugali at pag-iisip. Ang mga prinsipyong ito ay nakakatulong sa paghubog ng pananaw sa mundo ng isang tao at nakakaimpluwensya sa mga desisyong etikal at moral. Ang pag-aaral ng kalikasan, sanhi, o prinsipyo ng realidad. Ang pilosopiya ay naglalayong maunawaan ang pinagbabatayan ng mga prinsipyo ng katotohanan, kaalaman, at mga halaga. Ang paghahangad na ito ay batay sa lohikal na pangangatwiran at kadalasang kinabibilangan ng pagsusuri sa mga sanhi at kalikasan ng iba't ibang phenomena. Ang agham ng dahilan, karanasan, at pagninilay. Ang pilosopiya ay itinuturing na isang agham na umaasa sa katwiran, karanasan, pagmuni-muni, intuisyon, pagmumuni-muni, imahinasyon, at haka-haka. Itinataguyod nito ang kritikal na pag-iisip na kinabibilangan ng pagtatanong, pagsusuri, pagpuna, pag-synthesize, pagsusuri, at paghusga sa katotohanan, FDA Demetrio 3. Purpose of philosophy. Isa. Understanding ourselves. Philosophy helps individuals gain a deeper understanding of themselves, including their beliefs, values, and purpose in life. Dalawa. Understanding others. It aids in comprehending the thoughts, behaviors, and motivations of others, fostering empathy and better interpersonal relationships. Tatlo. Understanding different ways of thinking. Philosophy encourages the exploration of diverse perspectives and cognitive processes, enhancing one's ability to understand and appreciate different viewpoints. Apat. Understanding the world and our place. It provides insights into the nature of the world and our role within it, helping us navigate our existence and societal responsibilities. 5. Understanding the significance of human life. Philosophy explores the meaning, value, and ultimate purpose of human life, offering a framework for addressing existential questions. 6. Understanding God and divinity. It delves into the nature, essence, activities, and attributes of God, contributing to theological knowledge and spiritual growth. Layunin ng pilosopiya. Isa. Pag-unawa sa ating sarili. Tinutulungan ng pilosopiya ang mga individual na magkaroon ng mas malalim na pag-unawa sa kanilang sarili, kabilang ang kanilang mga paniniwala, pagpapahalaga, at layunin sa buhay. 2. Pag-unawa sa iba. Nakakatulong ito sa pag-unawa sa mga kaisipan, pag-uugali, at motibasyon ng iba, pagpapaunlad ng empatiya at mas mabuting interpersonal na relasyon. 3. Pag-unawa sa iba't ibang paraan ng pag-iisip. Hinihikayat ng pilosopiya ang paggalugad ng magkakaibang pananaw at proseso ng pag-iisip na nagpapahusay sa kakayahan ng isang tao na maunawaan at pahalagahan ang iba't ibang pananaw. 4. Pag-unawa sa mundo at ating lugar. Nagbibigay ito ng mga insight sa kalikasan ng mundo at ang ating tungkulin sa loob nito na tumutulong sa atin na i-navigate ang ating pag-iral at mga responsibilidad sa lipunan. 5. Pag-unawa sa kahalagahan ng buhay ng tao. Sinasaliksik ng pilosopiya ang kahulugan, halaga, at pangwakas na layunin ng buhay ng tao na nag-aalok ng balangkas para sa pagtugon sa mga katanungang umiiral. 6. Pag-unawa sa Diyos at pagka-Diyos. Ito ay sumasalamin sa kalikasan, kakanyahan, mga gawain, at mga katangian ng Diyos na nag-aambag sa teolohikong kaalaman at espiritual na paglago. Philosophy of Man. 1. Course on Human Existence. This branch of philosophy examines the essence of being human, addressing questions about identity, purpose, and the human condition. 2. Connection to metaphysics. It is linked to metaphysics as it studies the essence and actions of being, exploring the nature of reality and existence. 3. Interdisciplinary connections. Sociology considers the social dimensions and interactions of humans. Psychology studies human nature as beings with body and soul endowed with reason. Theology explores human relatedness to God within the context of faith. Epistemology investigates human capacity for knowledge and understanding of truth. Theodicy addresses questions about human nature and conditions from the standpoint of God's nature and actions. 4. Main problems in philosophy of man. Nature of man investigates what constitutes a human being and what defines human identity. Condition of human being explores the state or condition of human existence, including the reasons and manner of human existence. Pilosopiya ng tao. 1. Kurso sa pag-iral ng tao. Sinusuri ng sangay ng pilosopiya ang kakanyahan ng pagiging tao na tumutugon sa mga tanong tungkol sa pagkakakilanlan, layunin, at kalagayan ng tao. 2. Koneksyon sa metaphysics. Ito ay nauugnay sa metapisika habang pinag-aaralan nito ang kakanyahan at mga aksyon ng pagiging, paggalugad sa kalikasan ng katotohanan at pag-iral. 3. Interdisciplinary connections. Sosyolohiya, isinasaalang-alang ang mga sosyal na sukat at pakikipag-ugnayan ng mga tao. Psikolohiya, pinag-aaralan ang kalikasan ng tao bilang mga nilalang na may katawan at kaluluwa na pinagkalooban ng katwiran. Teolohiya, sinasaliksik ang kaugnayan ng tao sa Diyos sa loob ng konteksto ng pananampalataya. Epistemology, sinisiyasat ang kakayahan ng tao para sa kaalaman at pag-unawa sa katotohanan. Theodicy, tumutugon sa mga tanong tungkol sa kalikasan at kalagayan ng tao mula sa pananaw ng kalikasan at mga aksyon ng Diyos. 4. Pangunahing suliranin sa pilosopiya ng tao. Kalikasan ng tao, sinisiyasat kung ano ang bumubuo sa isang tao at kung ano ang tumutukoy sa pagkakakilanlan ng tao. Kondisyon ng tao, sinasaliksik ang estado o kalagayan ng pag-iral ng tao, kabilang ang mga dahilan at paraan ng pag-iral ng tao. Human nature. Isa. Fundamental dispositions and characteristics. Human nature encompasses the innate ways of thinking, feeling, and acting that are considered natural to humans. 2. Universal and static. Human nature is often viewed as having universal traits that remain constant across different cultures and eras. 3. Threefold level of human nature. Somatic level refers to the physical body, its composition, structure, and characteristics influenced by culture and environment. Behavioral level involves the universal patterns of behavior and conduct exhibited by humans. Altitudinal level pertains to the mental and emotional reactions to stimuli, reflecting individual opinions, feelings, and moods. Kalikasan ng tao. Isa. Mga pangunahing disposisyon at katangian. Ang kalikasan ng tao ay sumasaklaw sa mga likas na paraan ng pag-iisip, pakiramdam, at pagkilos na itinuturing na natural sa tao. 2. Universal at static. Ang kalikasan ng tao ay madalas na tinitingnan na may mga pangkalahatang katangian na nananatiling pare-pareho sa iba't ibang kultura at panahon. 3. Tatlong tiklop na antas ng kalikasan ng tao. Somatic level, tumutukoy sa pisikal na katawan, komposisyon, istruktura, at mga katangian na naiimpluwensyahan ng kultura at kapaligiran. Antas ng pag-uugali, kinasasangkutan ng mga universal na pattern ng pag-uugali at pag-uugali na ipinakita ng mga tao. Altitudinal level, nauukol sa mental at emosyonal na mga reaksyon sa stimuli na sumasalamin sa mga individual na opinyon, damdamin, at mood.
How would you apply the principles of philosophy to evaluate your own beliefs and values? A. By learning a new language. B. By reflecting on and critically analyzing your beliefs and values. C. By engaging in physical exercise. D. By studying historical events. In what ways can understanding different ways of thinking improve interpersonal relationships? A. By promoting better communication and empathy. B. By increasing physical strength. C. By enhancing technical skills. D. By learning musical instruments. Analyze the relationship between the philosophy of man and the various interdisciplinary connections mentioned. A. It focuses solely on artistic creativity. B. It integrates sociology, psychology, theology, epistemology, and theodicy. C. It primarily studies economic systems. D. It is unrelated to other disciplines. Compare and contrast the somatic, behavioral, and altitudinal levels of human nature. A. Somatic, mental reactions, behavioral, physical body, altitudinal, universal behavior. B. Somatic, physical body, behavioral, universal behavior, altitudinal, mental and emotional reactions. C. Somatic, emotional reactions, behavioral, universal behavior, altitudinal, physical body. D. Somatic, universal behavior, behavioral, mental reactions, altitudinal, physical body. What are the main problems in the philosophy of man, and how do they relate to the nature and condition of human beings? A. They focus on technological advancements. B. They investigate the nature of man and the condition of human existence. C. They examine political systems. D. They analyze artistic expressions. Evaluate the significance of studying the nature, essence, activities, and attributes of God within philosophy. A. It is irrelevant to philosophical studies. B. It contributes to theological knowledge and spiritual growth. C. It focuses on physical fitness. D. It promotes economic development. Assess the importance of philosophy in providing insights into the world and our role within it. A. It is unnecessary for understanding our role in the world. B. It helps us navigate our existence and societal responsibilities. C. It only focuses on artistic creativity. D. It is limited to technological advancements. Create a set of personal philosophical principles that guide your behavior and thought. A. Focus on economic growth. B. Principles based on critical thinking, empathy, and ethical behavior. C. Prioritize physical exercise. D. Emphasize artistic expression. Develop a philosophical argument that addresses the fundamental questions of human existence. A. Focus on technological advancements. B. Argument addressing identity, purpose, and human condition. C. Prioritize political systems. D. Emphasize physical fitness. Design a philosophical framework that integrates the concepts of human nature, purpose, and condition. A. Framework emphasizing artistic creativity. B. Framework combining physical, behavioral, and mental aspects of human nature. C. Framework focusing on economic development. D. Framework highlighting technological progress. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you found our teacher Lumaban self-learning video enjoyable and informative. If you gained new knowledge from this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We value your feedback. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We hope to see you again in our next video. May God bless you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.